How to initiate support. First, power on the CentriMag console. Ensure arterial tubing is clamped to prevent any backflow from the patient. Place the flow probe on the tubing distal to the pump with the arrow pointing in the direction of the blood flow. The flow probe does not need to be calibrated and does not need ultrasound jelly. Ensure a wet-to-wet connection is made at the sterile field to prevent air from entering the circuit. Increase the RPMs to at least 1,000 to prevent backflow from the patient. Remove the tubing clamp from the tubing, and then increase the RPMs to achieve the desired flow. Depress the menu button and set your minimum and maximum flow parameters. Abbott recommends 75% of the target flow. Retrograde flow of up to 2 liters per minute will be displayed as a negative number. Greater than negative 2 liters per minute flow is displayed as downward arrows. Ensure the flow probe is pointing in the correct direction should this occur.